Look no further than the 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Tahoe delivers the power and capability of a full-size SUV, state-of-the-art technology to keep you safe and connected, a serene cabin loaded with amenities, and impressive fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, lane departure warning, keyless entry, remote engine start, power liftgate, heated mirrors, backup camera, premium sound system, satellite radio, lane keeping assist. Powerful workhorse meets comfortable cruiser in the Tahoe. Treat yourself to a road test.